Had the chance to attend the Philippine Book Festival press con yesterday and grabe, ang ganda-ganda ng visuals. Sobrang galing talaga ng mga illustrators natin. Sobrang nabilib ako. Tapos andun si Sir Ricky Lee, one of the best writers of all times. Sa mga nagsasabi na wala naman masyadong magandang Philippine books, eto na po, tingnan nyo, ang dami-dami. And this is like 1% of all the books that you can possibly see sa Philippine Book Festival. So make sure to drop by at SM Mega Mall, Mega Trade Hall. This is going to be on March 13 to 16. It's 4 days. Immerse yourself in Philippine literature, Philippine authors because they are some of the best. Diba nga tayo may mga pinakamagagandang prose, poetry, love songs. Ramdam na ramdam mo talagang yung pain andoon, yung sarap, yung ligaya, yung halaga ng love. So I'll make sure to see you guys there and make sure that you guys are there.